Hello friends! Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can easily add a printer on iPhone. Don't forget, dear friends, please subscribe to this channel and also please put your likes under the video and write your comments. So friends, let us get down with you on this topic. First of all, please open the settings on your iPhone. And here, first of all, you will have to check whether you are connected to Wi-Fi and also, friends, whether you have Bluetooth enabled. It's very important that these two options are connected because without them, you won't be able to connect to the printer from your iPhone. It is mandatory that you have Bluetooth enabled and so that your iPhone, as well as your printing device, is connected to the same Wi-Fi source. Next, friends, go to any document or perhaps website. At the bottom, click Share. Scroll up through the menu and find the Print section. Now, friends, you'll need to click on the word Printer at the top and wait for your printer to load and then select it. And it's also very important that your printer is connected to both Wi-Fi and, if necessary, Bluetooth, so that you can see it here in this list and select it. After that, friends, just follow the instructions that you will see on the screen of your iPhone so that you can connect your printer and then continue printing. That's how very easy and quick you can add a printer to your iPhone. I really hope you found this video useful. Please don't forget to put your likes and also, friends, write comments and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.